Hello, I'm restoring this vintage bicycle. The bicycle has a lot of sentimental value with the customer. The bicycle is made out of steel, specifically chromoly steel. Steel is real, it lasts forever. I am installing new brake pads, shifting cables, brake cables, grips, thumb shifters. The bicycle is very old and worn, but I'm going to make it look brand new. I'm installing new tires, new wheels on the bicycle, installing new brake pads, installing a new freewheel, chain, and crank set. I am keeping the original derailleurs, front and rear. Here is the finished product. We put the Shimano crankset on, put some new pedals, some flat pedals, they're Blackburn. Got a new freewheel on there, new wheel. We got the Chromoly Marathon Plus tires on here. Put new brake pads on. Oh yeah. Grips. Lizard skin grips. New shifters. What? Sunrace shifters. Thumb shifters, old school. Kept the old brake levers. New cables. That bam. I'm gonna show you how I adjust brakes. Boom, hit that. See that? It's not too high. Not too high, just right on the rim. That's how you're supposed to adjust them. If they're too high, they might rub up on the tire. If the wheel goes out of true, it's got a multi-tread. I mean, I turned this bike into a brand new bike practically. This is the new cables on there. We kept the derailleur. We may switch that out in the future. This is a 7-speed. That new hub, new rim. Wow. The Wheelmaster. Stay True wheels. I'm not sponsored by them, but I know I will promote a quality product. And these wheels were true out of the box. Brand new. So wait, I gotta go to high. Okay, so we're gonna go high. This is how you shift. High. And then you start to get in the middle gears, go in the middle chain ring. You start to go low. You go to the smallest chain ring. So we're big in the rear, big cogs, little chain ring. There we go.